draw the border line. Okay, from all the four corners, you have to draw the border line. Okay, everyone start doing this. Draw the border line. Open a new page. Draw the border line. Everyone, open a new page. Draw the border line.
Ma'am, look.
Yes, perfect.
It's a nice.
Yes, Vedika, perfect. Good, Laksh.
Ma'am, can I write date?
Yes. You can write down the date and put the heading umbrella. Okay? Everyone, write down the date and put the heading.
Ma'am, I have done by myself.
Write down the date and put the heading umbrella.
Ma'am, can you show how to write umbrella spelling?
Umbrella. Okay? Write down the heading umbrella.
Ma'am, umbrella.
Write down the date. Yes, Kia. Now I can see you, bacha. Write down the date and the heading. The heading you have to write is umbrella. Done, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, now what we are going to do
Yes.
is, if you are done, we are going to draw umbrella. Okay, how you have to draw, I will show you one by one the steps. Okay? Done, everyone? Writing the heading. If you all show me thumbs up, then I can move ahead. Vedika, Rita is done, Paki is done, Shiven is done. Then, yes, who else is done? Ayansh is done. Laksh is done. Himay, Ara, what about you? Shlok, what about you? Hate is done. Kia, are you done writing the heading, bacha?
Ma'am, I have done.
Can I show you once again to write the heading?
Done.
Okay, Shlok.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. So now listen to me. What you have to do, you have to draw the umbrella, right? First of all, you have to do half circle. Okay? The half circle, you have to put a big half circle like this. Okay? Draw half circle. Proper, huh? Half circle, a big C. A big C. Okay, Vedika. You have to, even you can turn the book and you can write C also. That is also perfect. If you will write C like this, then also it's perfect. So you have to draw a half circle like this. Okay, half circle. Done? Drawing half circle. Then what you have to do? From this edges, the down, here you can see. Half circle हुआ सबका? Everyone done with the half circle? If you are not able to do, you can take any object and also you can draw a half circle. If you have some object, then also you can draw. Wait a minute, I'll show you.
I have this lid.
Yes, even I have. So if I have this circle, so you can put it and you can even draw a half circle. Okay? Even you can try that also. Yes?
I am doing this. I make my hand.
If you are doing with your hands, that is also fine. If you want a perfection, so you can do this way also. You can put it any circle and you can draw half circle. See. Okay? That is also way you can do. So basically you have to draw a half circle. Now what you have to do? You have to make a curve inside side. Okay? 3 curves. 1, 2, and 3. Okay? 3 times. Three times you have to do. Like this.
Ma'am, that these?
Yes.
Ma'am, like this?
Yes, Vedika. Done this much? Finish writing them. Okay. Paki is done. Ayush is done. Even Kia Hriday is done. Okay, very nice. Now what you have to do? You have to draw the line. You can see from here, upar 1. Okay, from here 2. Easier? यहाँ से आपके जो आपने पॉइंट्स है ना, यहाँ से आपको लेके ऊपर टच करना है, यहाँ से भी आपको लेके ऊपर टच करना है, like this. Okay, wait, it is not showing dark. Now draw the line inside. Very good, Kia. Nice. I can see Shlok, you are doing very nice. Very good, Hriday.
Ma'am, see.
Yes, Shlok. Good. Ayansh, good bacha. Paki, perfect. Nice. Shiven, nice. Himay, are you doing? Arav, are you doing? Hit. Prayag, Gauri.
Ma'am?
Yes, baby. थोड़ा सा और अच्छे से कर सकते हो तो कर दो टर्न, बाकी otherwise it's good.
Ma'am?
Okay, Laksh, so you have completed, that's fine. Now, good, Imai, good. Imai, good. I saw it. Yes, Shri, nice. Now what you have to do? Everyone is Prayag. No need to cry. No need to shout. What you have to do? You have to put a half circle. Here you can see the joint. Shri, please mute your microphone. Here you can see the joint. यहाँ पे आपको half circle करना है like this. A tail जैसा करना है.
मैम नहीं दिख रहा.
हाँ बच्चा पता नहीं. You can see now. Can you see now? Do it. Now we are going to draw with the help of your scale. You can put a standing line, 2 standing line. Okay? बीच में जो ये है ना, बीच में वहां से आप लेना. Wait. 1 standing line, 2 standing line. Okay? Like this. Can you see? Like this. Till यहाँ तक आपका हो जाए फिर मुझे बताओ. You have to put a standing line. Yes, Kia, I can see you are done. Very good, Kia. The standing line. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to take a curve. Like a U. Like a U. Okay? And in the same way, again the curve. Like this. Okay? We can see the umbrella having this curve in the same way. Yes. Very good, Ayansh. Very nice. Yes, Hriday, I can see yours.
See, ma'am.
Okay. यहाँ से एक छोटी सी लाइन ड्रॉ कर दो. Okay, 1 minute. यहाँ से एक छोटी सी लाइन ड्रॉ कर दो. यहाँ पे. Okay? Draw one small line. Now your umbrella is ready. I can see Hime's umbrella. Very nice. Kia's also very nice. Hriday, Shlok's nice. Great, good try. Kia nice. Hriday nice. Hime nice. Vedika good. Shiven very good. Sakshi well done.
I'm done.
Okay. So this is your umbrella. Right? And let's put some clouds. Hannah, let's put some clouds. Can we put some clouds? So it will look nice. And then you can do the coloring. So 2 clouds we can put. Okay? It's very easy. Half circle, half circle, half circle, half circle, half circle. Like this. Okay? You can put half circle like a three times, then a downside 3 times. That's it.
Ma'am, that this clouds.
Yes, Vedika. Perfect, Vedika.
Thank you, ma'am. Can I make sun?
Huh?
Can I make sun?
Sun? We are drawing like a rain, when we are using umbrella, when it is raining, so if there will be sun, there will be no raining, na? So don't draw sun. Now put some drops, okay? You can put some drops with your blue color. Afterwards, I'm just showing you. You can put some like drops. Okay? And you can color the umbrella and the clouds right now.
I'm colored.
Yes, right now if your drawing is done, then you can start coloring.
Ma'am, any color?
Yes, in umbrella you can do any color. But don't do any pink, red color in the clouds. What is the color of your clouds?
Gray. Gray.
Yes, even you can put gray, even you can put sky blue. Okay, both the colors are fine. But don't put pink, yellow, green, that are not the colors of the cloud. Okay, you can draw and you can put any colors in the umbrella.
Ma'am, look my drops.
Nice. Now start coloring, Vedika.
वेदिका दिखाएगी.
Very nice, Danish. Good. Good,
Drop.
Danish.
मैम ये ड्रॉप्स क्लाउड्स में से करने हैं.
हाँ मैम, क्लाउड्स में से करने हैं.
ओके.
Yeah, ma'am. He can do afterwards with the blue color. You can do right now. You can start coloring, Danish.
कलर करो फिर वो कलर से कर देना.
मैम.
Yes, Himay.
मेरी यहाँ मम्मा नहीं है.
तो आपने ड्रॉ तो किया, मैंने आपको देखा आपको ड्रॉ कर. तो आप कलरिंग स्टार्ट कर दो बच्चा. कलरिंग तो कर सकते हो ना. व्हाट इज द नीड ऑफ ए मम्मा? कलरिंग तो कर सकते हो आप अम्ब्रेला में, राइट?
हिमाय
हाँ ये
बच्चा कलर करो. मम्मा
Himay, you can do coloring. Show me your umbrella. Himay, show me your umbrella. See, you have drawn the umbrella. That's fine. Now start doing coloring in umbrella.
चलो हिमाय, लेट्स डू हिमाय. हिमाय
Where is Prayag? Prayag, are you doing? Where are you? Prayag, come on, come fast. Prayag. Yes, Gauri. Nice, Gauri. Now start doing coloring. Prayag, you have to listen, right? Cholo. I want you all to do the coloring. Yes, Laksh.
umbrella show.
Okay, should I show you the umbrella? You can see my umbrella. Still you want to see, Laksh? Still you want to see?
बोलो नो.
No.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you please again show the umbrella?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Kia, Mama is helping you. You are not doing by yourself. No, not good. It's nice, but I will give the credit to your mama, not to Kia.
चलो हिमाय. हिमाय हिमाय बच्चा डू इट. 2 मिनट में आऊँ છું बेटा.
Himay, you start doing coloring. Good, Shlok. I can see you coloring. क्या बच्चा? आपको अम्ब्रेला में तो आपको जो अच्छा लगता है वो कलर कर सकते हो, बट क्लाउड्स में यू कैन डू ब्लू कलर. ओके, डोंट पुट ग्रीन, येलो, ब्लैक.
Ma'am, I have complete.
You have completed. Very good. Good, Shlok. Nice. Yes, Shlok. It is nice.
Ma'am,
Very good. Okay. Yeah, very nice.
my name.
Yes, you can write your name.
Ma'am.
Yes, Shlok. Perfect. Yes, I can see. Class, you can slowly finish your coloring. If it will not complete it within this time, you can complete it at home. Don't worry. Don't be in hurry to complete the color by doing white, leaving the white space. Doing dirty. अच्छे से करना है. If it is not completed, अब बाद में शांति से you can complete it at home also after finishing this class. But don't be in hurry to complete.
Ma'am, don't.
Show me, Arav. Arav, what is this? नीचे के कर्व्स का है आरव, और स्टिक
कलर करना भूल गया.
वेरी गुड. का है, वेयर इज द स्टिक? मेक अ स्टिक. यस वेदिका, नाइस, गुड.
Thank you, ma'am. Can I make girls is holding umbrella?
Okay, you can make. If you want, you know it, then you can make. Otherwise, don't make it dirty.
Ma'am, I know my drawing star is.
Okay, fine. I got it. You can do it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Shri, what happened? Start doing coloring. Hate. प्रयाग, क्या कर रहे हो आप? ओके, वेरी गुड शिवेन, वेरी नाइस, ब्यूटिफुल, वेरी नाइस.
Thank you, ma'am.
वेलकम, वेल डन. आरव, आपने स्टिक ड्रॉ की. नाउ स्टिक को कलर करो. डू द कलरिंग. Paki, you are done. Coloring done. Then who is doing coloring? Mama is doing coloring. And what you are doing?
Ma'am, look, my goal.
Good. Okay, Paki. Yes, Vedika, nice. Yes, Danish, show me. Good, Danish, very nice.
Thank you.
Welcome.
My work is done.
Very good, Hriday, very nice. Nicely done. You can put by using black color, you can put a border line. Yes. Otherwise, very nice. Perfect.
Ma'am, done.
Done? Okay. आरव, बट नेक्स्ट टाइम यू नीड टू इम्प्रूव. अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा आरव, आप मैम को पूछेंगे, ठीक है?
Okay.
श्लोक, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग?
बैग के अंदर कलर डाल रहा था पाउच के अंदर से.
ओके. So who has to attend the reading class today? That is Kia, Khanak, Laksh, Nivan. Okay? You have a reading class today.
Ma'am, can I go?
Khanak, Laksh and Nivan. No Kia.
Ma'am, done.
Show me Laksh. Nice, Laksh. Nice, beautiful. Yet even Paki, yours is also nice. Good, Laksh. Paki, yours is also nice. Okay, so here the one who has finished coloring, that is very good. If you are left to finish the coloring, you can complete it by today at your home. Okay, so here we are ending our class.
Ma'am,
See you in the next class. Your next class is journal awareness class.
bye, ma'am. Bye,
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye.
वेरी गुड हेत, वेरी नाइस. हाँ, बहुत अच्छे से किया है आपने. बस उसके ड्रॉप्स बना देना. ओके हेत, वेरी नाइस. अदरवाइज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी गुड.
Bye, ma'am.
बाय दानिश.
Bye, ma'am.
बाय पाकी.